Hello dear viewers. Welcome to Kuki Decor. In today's video, we're diving into the world of wooden birdhouses, not just as beautiful garden decorations but as essential shelters for our feathered friends. Birdhouses play a crucial role in supporting local bird populations by providing safe spaces for nesting, protecting them from predators, and offering refuge from harsh weather. Whether you're a bird enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply someone looking to add charm to your backyard, building or placing a birdhouse is a simple yet impactful way to connect with wildlife. We'll explore everything you need to know, from choosing the right wood and design to ensuring proper placement for maximum bird comfort. Plus, I'll share tips on how to maintain your birdhouse so it remains a safe and inviting home season after season. So, if you're ready to create a cozy retreat for birds and bring more life and song to your garden, stick around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's build something beautiful and meaningful together. A wooden birdhouse is more than just a charming addition to a backyard or garden. It serves as a sanctuary for birds, offering them a safe place to nest, raise their young, and seek refuge from predators and harsh weather. The use of wood as the primary material for birdhouses has been a long-standing tradition, not only because of its natural aesthetic but also due to its suitability for creating a comfortable environment for birds. Wood is a breathable, insulating material that regulates temperature and moisture levels inside the birdhouse, closely mimicking the conditions found in natural tree cavities, where many bird species instinctively choose to nest. The design of a wooden birdhouse can range from simple, functional boxes to elaborate, decorative pieces of art. Regardless of its complexity, the fundamental goal remains the same: to provide a safe, cozy shelter for birds. The most effective birdhouses are those tailored to the specific needs of the birds they aim to attract. Different species have varying preferences when it comes to entrance hole size, interior dimensions, and the placement of the birdhouse itself. For example, small songbirds like chickadees and wrens prefer entrance holes about 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter, which prevent larger, more aggressive birds from intruding. On the other hand, species like bluebirds require slightly larger holes. Understanding these nuances helps in creating an environment conducive to successful nesting. The placement of a wooden birdhouse is just as important as its design. Birds tend to be particular about where they choose to nest, often seeking locations that offer both security and proximity to food sources. Ideally, a birdhouse should be mounted at a height that deters ground predators such as cats and raccoons, usually about 5 to 10 feet above the ground. Additionally, the entrance hole should face away from prevailing winds and intense sunlight, ensuring the interior remains cool and dry. Some bird enthusiasts also place baffles or guards around the birdhouse pole to further protect against predators. Wood selection plays a crucial role in the construction of a birdhouse. Natural, untreated wood like cedar, pine, or cypress is preferred, as treated wood or plywood with toxic adhesives can be harmful to birds. Cedar, in particular, is a popular choice due to its durability and natural resistance to rot and insects. The thickness of the wood is another important consideration, with boards ideally being at least 3/4 inch thick to provide adequate insulation. Smooth, sanded interiors prevent splinters and ensure that nestlings have a safe, comfortable space to grow. Ventilation and drainage are additional critical features of a well-designed wooden birdhouse. Small holes drilled near the top of the box allow for air circulation, preventing the interior from becoming too hot during warm weather. Similarly, drainage holes in the floor help prevent water from accumulating inside the birdhouse during rainstorms, keeping the nest dry and safe. A hinged or removable roof or panel also proves useful, enabling periodic cleaning between nesting seasons. This maintenance helps prevent the spread of parasites and disease, ensuring the birdhouse remains a healthy haven for future occupants. A wooden birdhouse also provides an excellent opportunity for creativity and personal expression. Many people enjoy painting or decorating their birdhouses, adding unique designs or colors that complement their garden. However, it's important to use non-toxic, water-based paints or stains, avoiding bright or metallic colors that may deter birds or attract unwanted attention from predators. Subtle earth tones like greens, browns, or grays blend naturally into the surroundings, making the birdhouse less conspicuous. In addition to supporting local bird populations, wooden birdhouses contribute to ecological balance by encouraging natural pest control. Many bird species feed on insects, helping to reduce the need for chemical pesticides. For example, purple martins and swallows consume large quantities of mosquitoes and other flying insects, while wrens and chickadees feast on caterpillars and beetles. By providing safe nesting sites, birdhouses help sustain these beneficial species, fostering a healthier, more balanced ecosystem in gardens and yards. Crafting a wooden birdhouse can also be an educational and rewarding activity for individuals and families alike. Building a birdhouse introduces children to woodworking skills, environmental stewardship, and an appreciation for wildlife. It sparks curiosity about bird species, migration patterns, and the vital role birds play in maintaining biodiversity. Many schools and community groups organize birdhouse building workshops as a way to engage participants in conservation efforts and encourage hands-on learning. Furthermore, wooden birdhouses offer a front-row seat to the fascinating world of bird behavior. Homeowners and gardeners can observe courtship displays, nest-building activities, and the hatching and fledging of chicks right from their own backyards. Such close encounters with nature provide a sense of connection and wonder, fostering a deeper appreciation for the avian inhabitants of the environment. With the growing awareness of habitat loss due to urbanization and deforestation, providing safe nesting sites through wooden birdhouses has become even more crucial. Natural tree cavities, once abundant, have diminished significantly, leaving many bird species struggling to find suitable nesting spots. Installing birdhouses helps mitigate this loss, offering vital support to cavity-nesting birds like bluebirds, tree swallows, and woodpeckers. Some conservation programs even distribute birdhouses to bolster populations of threatened or endangered species. Another often overlooked aspect of wooden birdhouses is their role in scientific research. Ornithologists and citizen scientists frequently use birdhouses to study bird behavior, breeding success, and population trends. By monitoring nest boxes, researchers gather valuable data that inform conservation strategies and track the health of bird populations. Many organizations run nest box monitoring programs, inviting volunteers to assist in observing and recording nesting activities, thus contributing to larger scientific efforts. Sustainability is also a key consideration in modern birdhouse construction. Environmentally conscious bird enthusiasts often opt for reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber to minimize their ecological footprint. Some even repurpose old wooden items, like fence posts or barn boards, giving new life to discarded materials while supporting local bird populations. This practice not only reduces waste but also adds a rustic charm and history to each birdhouse. Seasonal care for wooden birdhouses ensures their longevity and continued usefulness. At the end of each breeding season, it is advisable to clean out old nesting material, scrub the interior with a mild solution of water and vinegar, and inspect the structure for any damage. Cracks or loose joints should be repaired promptly to prevent water intrusion or predator access. And that's a wrap on today's video about wooden birdhouses. I hope this inspired you to create a safe and cozy haven for the birds in your garden or backyard. Remember, a well-placed, thoughtfully designed birdhouse not only adds charm to your outdoor space but also plays a vital role in supporting local bird populations. It's a simple yet impactful way to give back to nature and invite more life, color, and song into your environment. Whether you're building your own birdhouse or choosing one to buy, always consider the materials, size, and placement to ensure it's both safe and welcoming for your feathered visitors. Don't forget to check and clean the birdhouse regularly to keep it a healthy home for nesting birds season after season. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments, have you ever had birds nest in your backyard? What kind of birdhouse are you planning to set up? I'd love to hear your experiences. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips and ideas for bringing nature closer to home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.